Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best car wash kits that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Chemical Guys HOL 132 Best Car Wash. Chemical Guys has the answers, and we combined them all into the Best Car Wash Bucket Kit. A perfect scratch-free shine starts with proper car wash and water drying techniques and products, and the all-new bucket kit contains everything you need for a weekly wash on any car, truck, motorcycle, or SUV. Rinse away dirt and grime and add deep gloss and shine with the slick Mr. Pink Car Wash Shampoo. Choose citrus wash and gloss for removing heavy-duty stuck-on dirt, bugs, and grime. Hold mountains of foamy car wash suds in the heavy-duty detailing bucket, and drop in a dirt trap bucket insert to filter the wash water, and hold abrasive dirt and debris at the bottom and away from clean water and soap. Separating dirt and debris away from the premium chenille microfiber wash mitt reduces the amount of dirt rubbed back onto the paint to cause swirls and scratches. Car drying is another crucial point for preventing scratches, so lubricate the surface and release stuck-on water with after-wash spray and a premium Miracle Dryer microfiber towel. Snap on the heavy-duty bucket lid and sit on the top to easily clean wheels with Diablo Wheel Gel to remove nasty dust and grime from alloy rims and steel wheels. The Best Car Wash Bucket Kit is the one easy-to-use kit that allows any detailing enthusiast to get professional results with every car wash. At number 4. Chemical Guys HOL 144 TORQ Foam Cannon Snow Foamer. Pink is the fan-favorite detailing car wash soap for removing dirt, grime, and debris, and for maintaining the scratch-free shine of car paintwork. The advanced formula of Mr. Pink is tough on dirt, yet gentle on wax and sealant. Mr. Pink is super concentrated. Add just 1 ounce of Mr. Pink to a 5-gallon car wash bucket to create thick wash suds with plenty of lubrication against abrasive dirt that causes swirls and scratches. Mr. Pink will change the way you wash your car forever. It's the perfect detailing shampoo for any situation. The high foaming formula creates an extra slick wash solution to glide the wash mitt over paintwork. 95% of swirl marks, scratches, and marring are caused from improper washing. Mr. Pink's unique formula releases a constant stream of foaming bubbles to surround dirt particles and guide them gently from the surface. The pH-neutral formula gives Mr. Pink the ability to clean any surface safely and easily. Mr. Pink gives any detailer ultimate versatility when detailing any car, truck, motorcycle, boat or RV in any professional shop or driveway setting. At number 3. Car Wash Kit Complete Detailing Supplies for Cleaning. This line of products have changed the way I clean my car. I have OCD and I can't stand when the interior is greasy or when products smell weird. From the soap, tire shine, quick detailed, interior detail. Everything. It's great. I like keeping my car in showroom condition, not like someone trying to sell you a used car full of oils and dirt. Leave a matte finish in the interior that has a slight scent. The tire shine doesn't run and last for weeks. I highly advise to purchase this product and all of their lineup as I already have the trim restorer, because nothing I used prior worked as well as I had hoped. I was and am very pleased with the product, so much, that I bought this bundle pack. Today, I had some time on my hands and decided to detail my own vehicle. I am so excited to say that everything in this kit was used and worked great. This will be my new go-to. The tire shine works wonderful. The was went on easy and came off very easy, with very little dust. The interior detail spray was my least favorite, but it worked very well. It doesn't do much cleaning, but it does leave a nice, non-greasy finish to the interior. At number 2. Griot's Garage Starter Detailing Kit. This environment-friendly car detailing kit is indeed gentle on automobiles. The pH of the wheel cleaner is appropriate for superior quality shine. given that the paint has the best technology to present the highest levels of crystal-like reflective surfaces. And all this in a very short time. Moreover, it is such a kit that both beginners, as well as professionals, can use it without any problem. I've combined the finest car care products for every perfectionist's needs into one money-saving kit. It's a collection of the car care products I reach for most. Perfect to get any first-timer started, or an easy way for long-time customers to stock up on their favorite car care products. Start by cleaning the entire car and wheels with Car Wash and Wheel Cleaner. Now that the car is clean, remove impurities from the paint surface by using the paint cleaning clay and Speed Shine. Next, protect and enhance your paint by applying Best of Show wax. Finish up with vinyl and rubber dressing for your tires, exterior trim and interior. There you have it, the quickest and easiest way to maintain your car's factory fresh finish. This great kit will keep your car looking new while maintaining your investment. Finally, at number 1. Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Care Kit. Dashboard check, windows check, bonnet check, seats check, body check, tires check. Yes. This kit comprises of something for every part of your car. The best part is that even beginners can handle this with ease. Give your car a refreshing bath with the Car Wash, eliminate any fine abrasion marks with the Scratch and Swirl Remover. Step 3 is to glam it up by spritzing some wax and dry spray wax. Finally, use the Tire Shine to revamp tires. 1, 2, 3 steps and your car will be ready. Whether you're a professional or new to detailing, the Ultimate Turtle Wax Car Care Kit has everything you need to clean, shine, and protect your car inside and out. Turtle Wax has combined its best-selling innovation into one convenient 10-piece kit. The Ultimate Turtle Wax Car Care Kit makes washing and detailing a car easy. The kit includes quick and easy zip wax car wash and wax to clean and wax a car simultaneously with a foaming car wash. The quick and easy line's most popular selling wax and dry that allows you to wax your car before drying it. Wet and Black Ultra Wet Tire Shine and Quick and Easy Inside and Out Protectant both have every inch of your car covered inside and out when it comes to shine and protection. Turtle Wax Scratch and Swirl Remover safely eliminates imperfections and blemishes all over paint. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.